yeah, I'm having like a country moment. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello, and welcome if you are new. These types of videos will pop up on my channel on Thursdays and Sundays most of the time when life doesn't happen. But of course life is happening, and it's like full speed now. It's ridiculous. It's crazy. It's exciting. Anyway, today's video we're going to be unboxing my IPSY, or unsealing, opening. We're going through my IPSY for the month of August 2022. August. How crazy is that? August. It's like practically December. It's the end of the year. Here we are. We're gonna open it. I'm excited. I had some issues before with things disappearing, but this month, I hope it's all there. If you are new to my channel or new to IPSY, haven't really heard about it, I'll leave tons in the description down below. But it is a monthly subscription box. I just do like the base monthly subscription bag where you can get different kind of items, makeup, skincare, beauty, the whole shabam. First of all, this little cutie is running around all by itself in there, so I'm gonna pop that out. Second, this card, which I don't hold much hope for. Yeah, there's nothing in this card. Usually it'll come with like information about what it is. It doesn't have anything in there. But then here it is. The reason why, and that's everything. Yeet. The reason why I'm here, and oh my gosh, this feels so nice. Look at that. Like super silky, nice, pretty bag. Anyway, monthly subscription, you can get this. I believe it's like, depending on if you do like the month to month or the year, and I do the year. So I think it's like $12, $13, $14 a month. Don't quote me on that. Editing Me has all the information listed down below in the description for you. And then of course you can click on the link, which will take you to IPSY, and then they'll tell you so much more. But look how cute that is. Comes with the bag, says IPSY. During this whole pandemic, I did become quite the plant mom. I've taken over 3, soon to be 4 rooms in our house. And let's just go through all the items. Before I get into everything, I'm going to pull it up on my phone. I'm going to pull up my IPSY app so I can give you detailed information about what's in the bag. I already emptied it all out, so it's all sitting here on my desk. Let me get myself together. Sometimes these cards will come like with the theme of the month, which August 2022 is Hotel Paradise, which cool theme. And then on the inside, it'll tell you what you got, and then little synopsises about what you got. And of course on the back, information about upcoming IPSY events. And on the inside there is not. So what I am assuming is happening, there's just so many variations of what you can get at this point with IPSY that they don't have the ability to put it all in a card for each individual subscriber, which I'm like, cool, that's great. We have variety. I love that. Don't send me the card. I feel like it's a waste. Like, this is just gonna go into my recycle anyway. I'd rather not get it though. But I mean, if that's what you want, go for it. I'm still gonna end up pulling it up on my phone anyway. It's asking me to review my bag. I just got my bag, so let's go through this together. Yes. Ooh, okay. So, funny story. Ooh, ouch, I got a cut on my finger. So, funny story. The first item in the bag, it's from Bella Cosmetics. I got something similar to this in my glossy box last month. I'm pretty sure my glossy box last month, because or the month before. Anyway, I got in my glossy box recently, tried it out, loved it. I also made a video, go check that out. But it's the Bella Cosmetics. It's only natural eyeshadow palette. This is a full-size product for $25. And this is not it. Maybe This is a full-size palette, I guess. Pretty tiny. It's only natural, I guess. So on my phone it looks orange, but in my hand it looks brown, which is okay still. Like, I love the colors, perfect for fall, don't get me wrong. I had, where? Here you are. I knew I had it around here somewhere. So this is the other eyeshadow palette that I got. Let me just open and show you. This is the Peach Blossom. Come here. Come here. Full-size palette. Full-size palette. Both Bella Pierre, so we'll see. I guess I'm going to test out this other one and see how it does. Ooh, let me put this one away before I destroy it. BT Dubs, love the other one. So high hopes for this one. And this is $25. If you haven't heard of the brand, you can go check them out. I thought they were pretty good. Nothing wowing by me. Pretty small, pretty thin palette. In case you can't tell, that's why I was kind of taken aback when it said full size. This is $25, I guess. Anyway, the next item that I got in my IPSY Glam Bag, if it'll load for me. My dog's barking like crazy. I have no idea why. Alright, this next item you're gonna love because I love it. I already have, I forget which one, and I'm almost out of it too, and I was like, oh, I'm gonna have to rebuy it. It's from E.L.F. Cosmetics. It's a full-size product too. This is $10, full size from E.L.F. It's the matte putty primer in universal sheer, full size. Love it. I have the, I think just like the regular first one that came out, like the original. Their poreless putty primers are amazing. As far as the texture goes, I can kind of compare it to my Tatcha. Not too much, like just because it's pretty close. It's not a dupe, but this is as close as you're gonna get because this is $10 and Tatcha's like what, 40, 80? I don't know. I love her though. I love my Tatcha. But this one is pretty cool. I thought that was nice. So it's infused with kaolin clay and white charcoal. It says down here, kaolin clay and white charcoal. I did not know we had white charcoal to infuse in this. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna definitely be trying this. For directions, it says just apply a thin, even amount to moisturize skin prior to makeup application. Allow for it to set about 30 seconds before you apply your foundation. And I swear to you, when I say this, it just fills in all of your pores. And I have the biggest pores. I don't know if you can see from there. NASA could probably see from space, but my pores are huge, ridiculous. I love this though. $10. Cool. Next, my app is slow. Let's connect to the Wi-Fi at home. Next we have something from, oh, Pharma Beauty. Okay, so the brush that I pulled out earlier, this one, no, this isn't it, is it? Yeah, okay. So this is also a full-size product for $10. Here she is. The one pictured is white. The one I got was black, but it's still pretty. I love that. It's a 204 wide blender brush, and yeah, she is. I love that. I also love that I get a brush almost every IPSY bag. And you'll see, if you look at my IPSY playlist for all my videos, you'll see every time I get a brush, I'm so appreciative. And then I compliment how I get a brush almost every bag. I do. I love it. Some people may be annoyed, but you can never, oh, sorry, lipstick. You can never have too many brushes, ever. I'm telling you, it's a thing. Trust me. But yeah, $10. Pretty nice. The next item in my bag, ooh, it's from Gold Faden ND Detox Hydrating Gel. That's you. Okay, this looks like what's usually in my IPSY Glam Bag. It's something smaller, like a sample or deluxe size. Teeny tiny. Boom, perfect. And of course, this is the deluxe sample size. It's a moisturizer. Helps clear complexion and minimize the appearance of future breakouts. Ooh, I like that. And I love, absolutely love these tiny little sizes because as things are happening more in life, like your weddings, your baby showers, your birthday parties, we're traveling more across borders and things, and these are perfect for me to take with. I love them, and I get like a good, not like a lengthy time to try them, but a good amount of time to try them, and I do enjoy that. I like it. That one's so cute. This last item in my bag is from Jasmine Beauty. Does that look right? Yes. Okay, yeah, it says Jasmine Beauty. So it's from Jasmine Beauty. It's a deluxe sample mascara, and I don't think I've heard of this brand before. This is a Luxe Lash Volumizing Mascara, but if you look at the wand, I can tell I'm gonna love it. That's the same wand as, I want to say either the Better Than Sex or Damn Girl, and I love both of those mascaras. They're beautiful. And I think one of my CoverGirl mascaras had a wand like that too, so that's perfect. But this looks pretty big. How are you a deluxe? Like, you're ultra deluxe sample, because normally when I get like my tiny mascaras, like the sample sizes, it's like this big, barely enough for you to like pop it out, and then like the mascara dries on the wand instantly. It's ridiculous. But yeah. Ooh, that's it. That's everything. It's all 5 items I got in my bag. Let's count them back together. So the first item is from Jasmine Beauty, the mascara. The second one is from Goldfanden MD, the moisturizer. This next one is from Firma, the brush. Full size, by the way. From Bella Pure Cosmetics, the eyeshadow palette, full size. Full size. And then the E.L.F. Poreless Putty Primer, full size as well. That's 5. All 5 items for the month of August 2022. And I love it. That is so cool. I like it. Because I got a mystery card in my bag, did everybody get like a pretty big variation of the stuff that you got this month, at least for August? I wonder. Like, as soon as I saw like a little sneak peek of what I could be receiving in my bag, and I saw the E.L.F. Poreless Putty Primer was in there, I was like, I need this. I know it's only $10. They can run to Target, Walmart, CVS, wherever to pick it up. But like, I'm running out, and just for the universe and IPSY to know that and send me a replacement, perfect. And of course, I got it. I loved it. Okay, that might be the highlight of my bag. I don't know what your guys' highlight was. That was mine. I really enjoyed my bag for August 2022 though. If you liked what you saw, hit the like and subscribe button. There's also a playlist that has all of my IPSY, I think all of my IPSY openings on there. Go check it out. I will catch you next time. Bye!